how to get Google on the PlayStation 5. So here's what you want to do. Go to settings. Here select users and accounts. Now go into linked services. Go into YouTube. Click on link and then select use browser. Once you click on use browser, here we will need to select privacy. So click on privacy. Now go and click on the Google logo in the top left. Now from here you want to scroll down until you see Google right here. So you just want to click on Google, and just like that you will have access to Google and you can type stuff here, and I'm just going to show you that it works. So if I say something like hi, just Google search for it, and just like that, as you can see, it works. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.